Wade, that's Owen's birthday present. Did you know that? Yeah, you can have a turn. He's just learning how to ride it real quick. Look at, he's figuring it out.
Can you help Grandma turn him around?
Oh, go help Grandma turn him around.
Come on, let's turn him around. Oh, good. I needed your help. Thank you.
Okay, Owen. Show us how you do it.
He's gonna crash.
What? Oh.
He's gonna crash.
Push it.
Push the button.
Then he's gonna crash.
Where's Owen?